Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Crunchyroll app to watch anime on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Crunchyroll app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search this on your search bar. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website. So this is where we will download the Crunchyroll app, so just go and open it. So to download the Crunchyroll app on this website, it's actually so easy, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here, so just go and click it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Crunchyroll app will now be installed on your device. So just log in or create your account and then you will now be able to use the app to watch your favorite anime. And by the way guys, you might notice that even after installing Crunchyroll, you might still not find the app on your desktop home screen. So to fix that, just go back to your Crunchyroll app. And once you're on the app, next, I want you to click this 3 dots at the top. And then select App Settings. And finally, for the last step, just click this Create a Desktop Shortcut button to add the app to your desktop home screen. And after clicking it, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Crunchyroll app added to your desktop home screen, so you can now access or open the app more easily. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.